Hello there. Today I've got this Euro Starlet cylinder. I bought it on a flea market and it was cut in half. So I think some lockpicker had it before. These Starlet locks are from East Germany, from Gera. So let's see what we have inside. Oh, first I will show the key fitting here. Quite nice. The key works mostly. So I use tensioning from the bottom of the keyway and this standard hook. I start from front to back. One is springy, two is springy, nothing on three. On four. Tiny click on four. Nothing on five. Three. Two. And it's open. Hey, that was really fast. So then let's see what's inside. So first the pinning shoe to hold everything in position. And then go. The clip is away. Okay. Nothing is done to the core. So now a little bit closer. Yeah, nothing special on the pins. Okay, that's the reason why it was so easy. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. You are new to Locksport? Why don't visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk.